Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about pie chart. Pie chart is a circular representation of the data. Okay, like in bar graph we have represented data, line graph we have represented data. So pie chart is also a method of representing the data. So this is very important and you have to take care of this. Okay, what is 1 by 2 of a circle? 1 by 2, suppose this is the half of the circle and this is the other half of the circle. Okay, this is the complete circle, half of the circle and half of the circle, right? Now if I divide this circle into 4 parts, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete 4 parts will be there, so we can write 1 by 4 in it. Now if I draw more lines in it, divide it into circle, when I am dividing it to 1 by 8, so there will be 8 parts in the circle, 1 by 8, 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 1 by 8. So this fraction, by just by looking also you should know that this, what is the fraction of this pie chart is given here. Okay, this you have to keep in your mind. Now this question is given to you. On Sunday, Ankush asked his manager to note the food preferences of some customers. In the evening, the manager gave a pie chart to Ankush showing the food preference of the first 120 customers. So this is 120, total number of customers are 120. A pie or a circle chart is divided into several parts where each part shows the relative size of each category. So as you can see, there is some categories given and the customers preference are given to you. One is aloo paratha, puri, idli, dosa, lachha paratha. Just by looking you can tell puri is 1 by 8, idli is 1 by 8, lachha paratha is 1 by 4, dosa is 1 by 8. But you cannot tell aloo paratha. Okay, so for aloo paratha we have to find what is the fraction of aloo paratha first. To find out the fraction of aloo paratha, as you know, this is the half of the circle and this dosa is taken out from the half. So this is 1 by 8. So half minus 1 by 8, half and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 cannot be possible. You should be having same denominator to subtract it. So 1 by 2 will be multiplied by some number so that you can get 8. So 2 will be multiplied by 4, the answer will be 8. 1 will be multiplied by 4, then it will be 4 only. So then 4 by 8 we have got. Now 4 by 8, 1 by 8 we can subtract. 4 will be subtracted from 1, 1 will be subtracted from 4, the answer will be 8, 8 will be common. Now 3 by 8 is the fraction of aloo paratha. Now we have to find how many people preferred aloo paratha. So it is 3 by 8 multiplied by 120. 8 and 12 come in the table of 4, 8 comes at 2, 12 comes at 3, 0 we will write afterwards. Then 2 and 30 come in same table, 2 will come at 1 in the 2 table, 30 will come in the table of 2 at 15. So 3 you are going to multiply by 15, the answer is 45. It means 45 people preferred aloo paratha. Now we have to find out how many people like dosa. Okay, dosa. For dosa, 1 by 8 multiplied by 120. So 1 by 8 multiplied by 120, what will happen? 8 and 12 come in the same table at 4. 8 comes in the table of 4 at 2. 12 comes in the table of 4 at 3. So it will be 30. 2 and 30 thus come in the same table. 30 upon 2 you can write, it is 15. Okay. So 15 people likes to eat dosa. Like this only we have to find lachha paratha. Lachha paratha, as you can, this is the fraction of 1 by 4. So we can write 1 by 4 here. 1 by 4 multiplied by total number of people, that is 120. Now 4 and 12 come in the same table. 4 comes in the table of 4 at 1. 12 comes in the table of 4 at 3 and 0 we will write as it is. So the answer will be 30. Idli and puri fraction is same, that is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 multiplied by 120, again 8 comes in the table of 4 at 8 comes in the table of 2 at 4, 12 comes in the table of 2 at 6, then 4 comes in the table of 2 at 2, 4 comes in the table of 2 at 2, 6 come in the table of 2 at 33, so it will be 30. Now 2 and 30 come in the same table, 2 comes in the table of 2 at 1, 30 comes in the table of 2 at 15. So the answer will be 15. Same for puri also, 15 will be the answer. This question we have covered in today's class. So I hope that question is clear to all of you. And now after next class we will be doing next 3, 4, 5 questions and I will be giving you some questions for practice. please do it in your maths notebook. You can print out also. You can draw the pie chart and write the question answers in the maths fair notebook also, and print out you have to paste in mathematics fair notebook. Okay students, bye bye, have a good day.